Welcome to the SRD Tuning YouTube channel. Is the first dart block in the UK, 2JZ. Let's do an unboxing, shall we? So it's arrived in this state from us, so it's on a pallet, it's well wrapped up, in its own box, so let's have a look. That's the top off. So far looks really well packaged. And let's have a look at the goodies inside here. Would you look at that? It looks amazing. We finally have on a 2J 4-bolt mains, and we've been missing this for a long time. Since the very first engine I ever built, I always said it needed 4-bolt mains, and it has. It's got looks like 11mm studs and 10mm studs. It could be 12mm studs and 10mm studs, but yeah, that looks amazing. The only one you don't get 4-bolt main is the rear, but I don't think it's needed. Not right at the back there anyway. The rest of them, normally number 5 cap is the one that moves around, shifts around. So yeah, it looks amazing so far. I'm really happy with the quality, and I'm going to get it out, put it on the engine stand and have a proper look over it. But this is the first dart block in the UK. We've got another one on its way. And then get in touch if you want the dart blocks. They're 4,920 odd pound landed in the UK to this workshop. So obviously heavy piece of equipment to transport from America, but we can get them. And we've already got a name down on the list for another one. So if you want the ultimate Iron Eagle 2JZ dart block for an engine that you're building, this is the one to use. You can drag and drive it. It's a normal kind of street car setup, and it'll be absolutely fine, and you can go to 2,000 horsepower in it and not worry about all the mains shifting around and the balls moving and all of that kind of jargon. So the first one, this is it. This is the first 2JZ dart block in the UK. So inside this block, inside this box, we've got more goodies. So we've already got a description: piston oilers block off plate. That's cool, and all the tolerances. Wow, this is cool. I like it. We've also got dowels for the top of the head, the oil gallery bungs, the oil. Yeah, we've got loads of stuff. These are for the cross drilling, 8th MPT. What else? The good bits. These. Come up and look at. So the dart block actually comes with screw-in freeze plugs. So normally they're a core plug that you would normally use a drift and drift in, but these I've got aluminium turn threads. These are M33 by 2mm pitch with O-rings, and they'll just screw in to the block. Gives you easy access for cleaning and stuff. So far, this block looks amazing. I'm super stoked to build this one.